Okay, okay, that's fine, okay, all right. We have 8 tigers in our den this year, and they did a really nice job. Look at them all there. And Bill Frank, who is the den leader, couldn't be here tonight. However, I know for a fact that this den has worked really hard on memorizing their motto and their handshake and the scout sign. So, and so they get tonight. They're going to get their paw, okay? And attached to this paw is an orange bead because they did a leaf rub the other night. And so they're earning their first bead tonight. So rather than trying to pin them on parents, we're going to give them to each of the scouts. And the scouts, you're going to give them, tigers, you're going to give them to your parents, okay? And then one other quick little side note for my tigers, because I know some of my tiger parents, their tigers didn't get a T-shirt. We have new T-shirts in, so we haven't received one yet. Just come and see me, okay, by the end of the meeting, all right? Or during the meeting.
It's go on the right. They actually use loops on the actual button of the shirt, all right?
Yeah.
And it's a little tricky to get on there, so be patient.
Yeah. So
all right?
this side, the right side, okay? Okay. And you know how okay. Take it.
Gotcha. Work on this one. All right. That's all yours.
Good job. Good job.
Put on the line. Oh yeah. There you go.
So does it go right here?
Yeah, it sticks onto your belt. So let's see it. Let's see your paw. Congratulations on getting your paw.
And my orange bead.
And your first orange bead. Hey, buddy. Look at the camera. Hey, you want me to help?
Yeah, I'm trying to put this on.
Okay. Okay, it's unbuttoned. Now you slide this over the button. Just pretend you're buttoning it.
Like that?
Yep, like that. It's kind of hard. Let me know if you need help.
I need help.
Okay.